Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. Here is the code for whatever the problem you are searching for. I have given the code, the basic code for executing the program. You can write the remaining code on your own. So first of all, we are going to include IO stream, F stream, string, and then I am going to define a structure item list which consists of item name, quantity, price as per the problem definition. And I am going to define one more structure S which represents the store, which contains store name, location, and whatever the structure we created previously, item list. And I am taking 10 items as of now for item list. So that is the basic definition of the structure. So this is the actual structure we need, and within this we need one more structure, item list, because item list contains again item name, quantity, price. So with this the structure definitions are completed. Next I am going to start with the main program. So as I need to read the content from a data file, so I need to beforehand store the data in a particular data file. I have taken the data file as stores.txt. So here 2 represents the number of stores, and corner store represents the first store name, east lasting first store location, and this 2 represents the number of items in the item list. And I have taken the first 2 records like this, and this one represents the second store name, the second store location, and in the second store again there are 2 items, and I have given the 2 items data. Okay, so now I am going to retrieve the data from the file. For that purpose I need to define the variable for if stream fin, and I am going to read the data from stores.txt. So you should also store the content in the stores.txt beforehand. Now I am going to retrieve the data from stores.txt. So after that I am going to define a minimum of 10 stores, struct S stores of 10. Okay, so actually these integers n and m are needed because I need to retrieve the number of stores as well as the item list from the particular file. So now I am going to take a for loop. So because I am going to read the content from the file, I need to use f in greater than. Similar to c in greater than, I need to f in greater than. Initially I am going to retrieve the number of stores value. Here you can see this is the number of stores value. I am going to retrieve that value, and then I will start a for loop, and then I need to retrieve the store name. The store name we can retrieve and store the value in stores of I dot store name. Initially I value is 0. Okay, the first record, and then I am going to retrieve stores of I dot location. So after that I need to retrieve the number of items in a particular store. For that purpose I need to initially retrieve how many items are there in this particular store. So for that value I have given 2. So I am going to retrieve that 2 value and store in M. Next I am going to retrieve the list of items. List of items are stored such as item name, and then the quantity, and then the price. So in the same fashion I am going to read stores of I dot items of j dot item name. So as I need to retrieve several different list of items, so I am going to take one more for loop. So these 3 statements will be repeated m number of times. So as I have given m value 2 times, they will be repeated, and I am going to read these 2 rows. Okay, they will be stored in the structure. So once again the loop will be iterated because n value is 2. and again it is going to ask for the store name, second store name I have given, second location I have given, and in the second store also I have given two list of items. So once again it is going to read the list of items for the second store. Now the data has been successfully read from the file, and then I'm going to display the whatever the content I have read using cout, using cout standard output. So for that purpose I'm going to take once again the same structure, but now I'm going to output the things store related information ordered by in file order. There are n stores. Here n value I have taken is 2, and store 1 details, store name, store address, and then store items, and the columns I have given as item name, number of items, and then item cost. Okay, then I have taken the for loop and display the content, display the contents. So I am going to embed this dollar symbol, because in the problem definition they have specified like that the price is in dollars. So I have taken this dollar symbol. Now let me compile and execute this program and see whether the output comes or not. So just click on this run button. Now you can see here the output came successfully. Store related information ordered by in file order. There are 2 stores, store 1 details, store name cornerstone, store address, address of the store, store 1 items, item name, number of items, item cost, and then store 2 details, store name, store address, store 2 items, item name, number of items, item cost. So we have successfully retrieved the data from the file and displayed on the screen. Now whatever the remaining part, what is the remaining part? Whenever a person try to purchase a particular product, so we need to compare the prices in which of the stores the price of this particular item is less, and then we have to bring the items from that particular store only. So if at all there are the number of items are not there, for example I need 10 items in a particular store, there are only 5 items with less price, then I'm going to go for the second store, and the remaining 5 items I have to purchase from the second store. So that is the program logic which you can easily implement once if you know how to retrieve the data from the file and how to display the content on the screen. The remaining logic is very simple, which you can implement on your own. Okay. Hope you understand the problem definition as well as how we are going to retrieve the data from the file and display the output. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends as well as colleagues. That's all for now.